Welcome back, and we are diving into the world of wealth to figure out who the richest family in the world is in 24. And I'm challenging myself to rank the top 10 without any help. Wealth and influence are two words that often go hand in hand. And it's no secret that the richest families in the world hold a significant amount of power and control in today's society. Wealth inequality has been a growing concern for decades, and one of the most fascinating aspects of it is how certain families have managed to maintain their status and wealth over generations. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about having the right connections, making smart investments, and making strategic business moves. These families have perfected the art of building and maintaining their wealth, often passing it down from generation to generation. In today's world, where wealth is often synonymous with power and influence, it's fascinating to explore how these families have managed to stay on top. As we explore the stories of these families, it's essential to recognize the implications of their wealth and power on a global scale. The wealth gap is a complex issue, and understanding how these families have contributed to it is crucial in finding solutions to address it. It's also essential to acknowledge the role that philanthropy plays in bridging this gap, and how some of these families have made significant contributions to various causes. Wealth, like a towering oak, takes years to grow. And for some families, it spans generations. These families have amassed fortunes that not only place them at the top of the wealth pyramid, but also give them a significant influence on the global economy. The richest families in the world possess wealth that spans multiple industries, from technology and finance to retail and manufacturing. Their stories often intertwine with the history of the modern world, and their fortunes continue to grow, ensuring their lasting legacies. Here's a detailed look at the top 10 richest families in the world in 24, exploring their origins, sources of wealth, and the incredible influence they wield. 1. The Walton family. Net worth, $247 billion. Source of wealth, Walmart. The Walton family tops the list as the wealthiest family in the world, and their wealth comes primarily from Walmart, the world's largest retailer. Founded by Sam Walton in 1962, Walmart has grown to become a global retail behemoth with over 10,500 stores worldwide and more than $559 billion in annual revenue. The company remains largely in family hands, with the Waltons holding about half of its shares. Family members: Jim Walton, the youngest son of Sam Walton and currently serving on Walmart's board of directors. Alice Walton, Sam's only daughter, known for her passion for art and philanthropy. Rob Walton, the eldest son who served as chairman of Walmart until 2015. Lucas Walton, the grandson of Sam Walton, who inherited a portion of the family fortune. Why so rich? The Walton family's wealth has grown exponentially due to the continuous expansion of Walmart and its aggressive strategy of cost-cutting and scale. They maintain control through a family trust that holds a significant portion of the company's shares, ensuring their wealth and influence persist. 2. The Mars family. Net worth, $160 billion. Source of wealth, Mars Inc., known for popular brands like M&M's, Snickers, and Nuss, and Mars bars. The Mars family has made its fortune in the confectionery business. Founded by Frank C. Mars in 1911, Mars Inc. is now one of the largest privately owned companies in the world, with interests spanning pet care, food products, and of course, candy. Family members: Jacqueline Mars, the daughter of Forrest Mars Sr. and one of the wealthiest women in the world. John Mars, her brother who co-owns the family company. Victoria B. Mars, a board member and granddaughter of Frank C. Mars. Why so rich? Mars Inc. has diversified its portfolio significantly beyond chocolates and candy into areas like pet care and veterinary services, which has been a massive contributor to the company's growth. The family's focus on maintaining private ownership has allowed them to grow their wealth without external pressures from public shareholders. The Koch family. Net worth, $128 billion. Source of wealth, Koch Industries. Koch Industries, one of the largest privately held companies in the United States, has its hands in everything from chemicals and refining to paper products and financial trading. The family fortune originated with Fred Koch, who developed an innovative crude oil refining process in 1940. Today, the company is led by Charles Koch, who transformed Koch Industries into a diversified giant. Family members: Charles Koch, the chairman and CEO of Koch Industries, who has been at the helm for over 50 years. Julia Koch, the widow of David Koch, who inherited her late husband's shares. Chase Koch, the son of Charles Koch, who is involved in the family business and philanthropy. Why so rich? The Koch family has built their fortune by expanding into a wide range of industries, from energy to consumer products, and by reinvesting profits into new ventures. Their influence also extends to politics, where they are known for funding conservative causes and candidates. 4. The Al Saud family. Net worth $105 billion. Source of wealth: oil and investments. The House of Saud, the ruling royal family of Saudi Arabia, has accumulated immense wealth through its control over the world's largest oil reserves. The family's fortune is tied closely to Saudi Aramco, the state-owned oil company valued at trillions of dollars. The family's wealth is spread across approximately 15,000 members, but the core of the fortune is controlled by King Salman and his immediate relatives. Family members: King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the current ruler of Saudi Arabia; Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, MBS, the heir to the throne, known for his economic reform plans and investments; Prince Al-Walid bin Talal, a notable investor with holdings in companies like Citigroup and Twitter. Why so rich? The Al Saud family's wealth is derived primarily from the vast oil reserves controlled by Saudi Aramco. Recent efforts to diversify the economy through Vision 2030, including investments in technology, entertainment, and tourism, aim to increase the family's influence and wealth beyond oil. 5. The Ambani family. Net worth $95 billion. Source of wealth: Reliance Industries. The Ambani family, led by Mukesh Ambani, controls Reliance Industries, India's largest conglomerate with interests in petrochemicals, oil refining, retail, and telecommunications. The company was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1966 and has since grown into a global powerhouse. Family members: Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries. Nita Ambani, Mukesh's wife, known for her philanthropic work and influence in India. Akash, Isha, and Anant Ambani, the next generation of the Ambani family, all involved in different aspects of the business. Why so rich? Reliance Industries' diversified business model, which spans several critical sectors of the Indian economy, has allowed it to grow rapidly. The company's telecom arm, Jio, has become a market leader in India, contributing significantly to the Ambani's wealth. 6. The Dumas family. Net worth $75 billion. Source of wealth: Hermès. The Dumas family owns Hermès, the iconic French luxury goods company, known for its high-end fashion, handbags, and accessories. Founded in 1837 by Thierry Hermès, the company remains family-owned and is regarded as one of the most prestigious names in luxury. Family members: Axel Dumas, the current CEO of Hermès and a sixth-generation family member; Pierre Alexis Dumas, the artistic director of Hermès, responsible for maintaining the brand's unique design ethos; Nadège von Cybulski, the women's ready-to-wear designer, who is not a family member but plays a crucial role in the brand's creative direction. Why so rich? Hermès has maintained its reputation for exclusivity and luxury, which allows it to command premium prices. The family's strategy of limited production, focus on craftsmanship, and maintaining private ownership has helped them grow their fortune substantially. 7. The Wertheimer family. Net worth $70 billion. Source of wealth: Chanel. The Wertheimer family owns Chanel, one of the most famous fashion houses in the world. Brothers Alain and Gerard Wertheimer control the company, which was co-founded by their grandfather, Pierre Wertheimer, alongside Coco Chanel. Family members. Alain Wertheimer, the chairman of Chanel, known for his low profile. Gerard Wertheimer, the co-owner of Chanel, who oversees the company's watch division. Marilyn Wertheimer, a philanthropist and lesser-known family member. Why so rich? Chanel's global brand recognition and strong market position in the luxury goods sector have allowed the Wertheimer family to maintain their wealth. Their conservative management style and refusal to sell shares or take the company public have kept Chanel both exclusive and profitable. 8. The Thomson family. Net worth, $61 billion. Source of wealth, Thomson Reuters. The Thomson family of Canada owns the global media and information firm Thomson Reuters, known for its financial data and news services. The family fortune originated with Roy Thomson, who built a media empire in the 20th century. The current chairman, David Thomson, has continued to expand the family's wealth. Family members. David Thomson, the chairman of Thomson Reuters and third-generation leader. Peter Thomson, David's brother, who is also involved in the family business. Ken Thomson, deceased. David and Peter's father, who significantly grew the family fortune during his lifetime. Why so rich? The Thomson family has maintained a significant stake in Thomson Reuters, which has continued to thrive as a leader in global information services. The family also owns Woodbridge, a private holding company with a diversified portfolio, further expanding their wealth. 9. The Johnson family, net worth $50 billion. Source of wealth, Fidelity Investments. The Johnson family controls Fidelity Investments, one of the largest mutual fund firms in the world. Founded by Edward C. Johnson II in 1946, Fidelity has grown to manage trillions of dollars in assets, making it a powerhouse in the financial services industry. Family members. Abigail Johnson, the current CEO of Fidelity, known for her leadership in expanding the firm's digital offerings. Edward C. Johnson III, deceased. Abigail's father and former CEO of Fidelity. Ned Johnson, a family member involved in the family business. Why so rich? Fidelity's success in mutual funds, brokerage services, and retirement planning has created a massive financial empire for the Johnson family. Abigail Johnson's continued innovation in digital financial services has kept the company competitive and profitable. 10. The Cox family. Net worth, $45 billion. Source of wealth, Cox Enterprises. Cox Enterprises, a conglomerate with interests in communications, automotive, and media, is owned by the Cox family. The company was founded by James M. Cox, a former Ohio governor, in 1898, and it has grown into a major force in its industry. Family members. James C. Kennedy, the chairman of Cox Enterprises and grandson of the founder. Blair Perry Oakden, a major shareholder and one of the richest women in the U.S. Alex Taylor, the CEO of Cox Enterprises and a fourth-generation family member. Why so rich? Cox Enterprises has diversified its business interests significantly, from cable and broadband to automotive services, ensuring steady growth. The company remains privately held, allowing the family to maintain control and secure their fortune. Finally, these families represent a wide range of industries, from retail and luxury goods to oil and finance. While their paths to wealth are diverse, they share common themes: long-term vision, maintaining private control, reinvesting profits, and often a bit of luck. As the world changes, these families continue to adapt, ensuring that their fortunes not only endure but thrive in the years to come. For those interested in building generational wealth, these families offer lessons in business acumen, strategic investment, and the power of a strong family foundation.